Tubers, what's up? I hope you're having a happy hair day. Thank you for the questions that you guys been asking. And also, I'll be in the comments, so I'll read y'all comments. I read the good, the bad, I read everything. And a lot of you guys have been asking me, how often should you shave with the foil shaver? I got the answer for you. This right here is a foil shaver. And you probably know what a foil shaver is because you tuned in to the video, but I'll explain to you real quick if you don't know what a foil shaver is. What the foil shaver is it's a cleanup after you shave with the trimmer, and then you clean it up with the foil shaver. Now you can use the trimmer on your bald head, goatee, beard, clean face, and then afterwards to get those little hair stubbles, then you hit it with the foil shaver and it will give you a nice, smooth, baby-like shave that lasts an extra 2 or 3 days. The original question is, how often should you use the foil shaver? I highly recommend that you use this foil shaver every 2 days. Because guys, I don't want you to shave every single day, because when you shave every day, you can actually irritate the skin on your face. You can dry it out. We need our skin to breathe. Breathing is important. When you shave every single day, you can actually irritate your skin. I want you to use this foil shaver when you shave your face, your bald head, your goatee. Then you can follow it up with the foil shaver. The foil shaver actually gives you an extra day or two. So you might not shave until about 3 or 4 days. But whenever you do, then you can use this foil shaver. Do not use this bad boy every day, because you've shaved your beard or your goatee and then you follow it up with the foil shaver. Now the next morning you want to use the foil shaver again. Hold tight. Okay, hold tight. Let your skin breathe. Then you use the foil shaver every 2 or 3 days when you shave. Recap, foil shaver every day? No. Foil shaver when you do shave with the trimmer? Yes. But once again, do not shave every single day. This foil shaver is your friend when you shave. So, in reality, you could wait every 3 days. There are some guys that hair grows quickly. So by 5 o'clock, you got a shadow. If this happens, I still want you to wait a day, but use your trimmer to shave your face. Chill on the foil shaver for a day. That's if you want to shave every single day, which I told you not, but I know some of you guys want to shave every single day. Use your trimmer, shave, wait 2 days, and then follow it up with the foil shaver. This is for my guys who facial hair grow every single day. When you have a 5 o'clock shadow at 5 o'clock, we want to groom smarter so your facial hair ain't harder. By the way, I rap on the weekends. Son, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the video and let me know your regimen. I'll leave a link to this foil shaver right here. This is the BaByliss foil shaver. This is the best one that I have used. I've been using it for over 10 years, and I'll see y'all again. Have a great day. Ciao.